Have you ever stopped to think that some of your everyday habits might actually be harming your health without you even realizing it? The truth is, many of us do little things every day that seem harmless, but over time, they can affect our energy, weight, mood, and even long-term wellness. In this video, I'm going to share 5 common habits that could be secretly sabotaging your health, and more importantly, I'll show you how to fix them with simple, easy changes. Stick with me till the end, because these tips might completely change the way you look at your daily routine. Let's start with the first one, skipping breakfast. A lot of people think that by skipping breakfast, they're saving calories or even losing weight faster, but the opposite is often true. When you skip your morning meal, your metabolism slows down, and later in the day, you're more likely to crave sugary snacks or overeat during lunch and dinner. Instead of skipping it altogether, try having a light but balanced breakfast. Something as simple as oatmeal topped with nuts and fruit or eggs with whole grain toast can fuel your body, stabilize your blood sugar, and give you the energy to start your day strong. The second hidden health trap is sitting for too long. With so many of us working from desks, driving long hours, or spending time on screens, it's easy to end up sitting for most of the day. But research shows that sitting too much can increase the risk of obesity, heart problems, and even diabetes. Think of sitting as the new smoking. It silently damages your health over time. The fix is simple. Make it a habit to move every 30 minutes. Stand up, stretch, or take a short walk. Even 2 to 3 minutes of movement can reset your circulation, boost your energy, and help your body stay active. The third habit that secretly drains your health is not drinking enough water. Most people walk around mildly dehydrated without even realizing it. The problem is that dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and even brain fog. Sometimes when you feel hungry, you're actually just thirsty, and that leads to overeating. The easiest fix? Aim to drink at least 7-8 glasses of water a day. If plain water feels boring, add lemon, cucumber, or mint leaves for flavor. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to support weight loss, improve digestion, and keep your skin glowing. The fourth common mistake is relying too much on processed foods. Yes, they're convenient and tasty, but they're often loaded with sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats that damage your metabolism and gut health. Over time, they can lead to weight gain, bloating, and sluggishness. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, nuts, seeds, and whole grains will give your body the nutrients it craves and the energy you need. One simple swap a day, like replacing soda with water or chips with a handful of almonds, can make a huge difference. And finally, let's talk about sleep. Many people underestimate how powerful good sleep is for overall health. Skipping out on quality sleep doesn't just make you tired. It can actually disrupt your hormones, slow your metabolism, weaken your immune system, and even affect your mood. Think of sleep as the foundation of all health. Without it, nothing else works properly. Aim for 7-9 hours of consistent, restful sleep each night. Simple changes like keeping a regular bedtime, limiting screen time before bed, and creating a calm, dark sleep environment can drastically improve your rest and, in turn, your overall well-being. So there you have it. 5 everyday habits that might be harming your health and 5 simple ways to fix them. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment or complicated routines. Just small, consistent changes in your daily habits can add up to big results over time. Better energy, better mood, better weight management, and a stronger immune system. All within your reach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with a friend who might need these tips. And make sure to follow this page for more science-backed health advice that's simple, natural, and effective. Now I'd love to hear from you. Out of these 5 habits, which one are you most guilty of, and which one will you start changing today? Drop your answer in the comments because I'll be reading them.